Hi, we are Compilo and this video is regarding the interview questions of SQL. Which aggregate function does not ignore null values? See, this question basically tests your practical knowledge. So there are two functions which you can mention. So first is count asterisk and another is count with column name. See, because count counts rows and not the column values. So therefore it does not ignore the null values. What is a lateral keyword? See, lateral keyword is used for lateral join between two or more tables. Following is the syntax. Select column name from the reference table name and then we will use lateral keyword with inner subquery. In other words, lateral provides an approach to return more than one column as an output. However, in SQL Server, we use cross or outer apply for this functionality. Next question is, what is scalar subquery? Scalar subqueries return exactly one column value from one row. They can be used in case expressions, where clauses, order by clauses, and select clauses. If we talk about examples, so we can see first example is select department ID, employee name from employee table E, order by. Here, if you notice, we are using scalar subquery in order by clause. Okay. Similarly, if we want to use scalar subquery in select clause, so we are using here select employee name, department ID, employee salary, then select maximum of employee salary, and we are using it here as department maximum salary from employee table with order by department ID and employee salary. Next question is, what are constraints in SQL Server? So the six main constraints in SQL Server are SQL not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check, and default. Next question is, what are cardinalities in SQL? This question may look quite easy, but this shows that your basics are strong. So in terms of data modeling, cardinality refers to the type of relationship. So we have following four types of cardinalities: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. So these were quite a few interview questions, and I hope you have understood them. And in case you encounter any of them, you can answer them easily. Thank you.